So many people here today. Maybe because it's a Saturday morning. Eh? Oh. Oh my god.
Ledok banget ya. Satu, dua. Lagi satu.
Hello, so this is a little random. I'm going to show you a mini haul because I just got back home from a mall. First thing first, I bought some french fries. Ta-da! And then I bought two things which I'm so excited to share. The first one, I bought lanyard. Shin-chan! I love Shin-chan so much. I've been watching the cartoon ever since I was little, so I'm so excited. I actually bought this not for my phone but for my camera, so I'm going to try that one. Let's see. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is what I wanted for my camera, like very thick rope. Is it a rope? I don't know, but like cute. And then there's like his head right here, and I'm sorry guys, I cannot focus it. You can put this under your phone in your phone case, but since I'm going to be wearing this for my camera, so I'm not gonna use this one. I'm just gonna use like this. And then, oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. Oh, I actually bought one for my phone. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. I actually have two. The first one I'm currently wearing right now. I don't know if you can see this one. It's okay, but I'm not really a fan of it because the string is white and it catch on some dirtiness real quick. And also my cat, she bit on like the charms thingy. And then I bought this one. Unfortunately, it broke. So I'm really sad because I really like all the charms in here. Yeah, and then I bought this one. I don't really like this one because the color combo is not really my fave, but the biggest bow is green, so I'm going to use this for my phone. And then this is my most favorite one. I'm so excited for this one. This is perfume by Alchemist. I've heard a lot of great things about this brand. I was looking for a specific brand. They did not have the scent that I wanted, so I checked on the other brands and Alchemist it is. This one is the number 07 or Galeria. Ooh, it's kind of like, it's Dove. Ta-da! I bought the small version. This is the 30 milliliter, which is pretty small, but I actually needed like small perfumes for me that I could like bring anywhere because my perfume, like my current perfume that I'm loving right now, is kind of like huge, so Ooh, okay. Ta-da! The iconic bulb cap. Ooh, it's so tiny. I can bring this anywhere with me. It smells good. Do they have like the notes in here? No, they don't. But it smells like floral and then a little sweet. But not too sweet though. Maybe I'll put the notes on the screen or something. But yeah, those are my haul. My mini haul. Coba buahnya dulu pemirsa. Ada original banget sih. Cobain. Ini fix harus dibumbuan per cabai-cabean.
Tapi nggak yang sepedas itu juga kan?
Iya.
Masih oke gitu ya. Basic banget ya.
Basic banget. Chili oil lah. Mudah sekali ya. Chili oil pemirsa. Chili oil. Beef. Magor. Daun. Ini miso crispy tulisannya. Chili. Bawang putih goreng. Lada chili.